Hello everybody. Now I'll demonstrate an app called Learn Pinyin Sounds. It can be built into your website and work for your clients. The site now is served by GitHub only for demonstration purposes. The link to the site is too long, and so I just copied and pasted it into the browser address bar. So we are here, and let's start. On the screen, we see when the site just started. This is the starting point. It says click here to start, and let's go.
播
Immediately audio plays, and I hear the first pinyin sound. You want to hear it again? Just press enter key on your keyboard. Now I'm pressing.
播
Po, po,
播
po,
播
po. It plays as many times as you press enter.
播
Po, po,
po.
and so on. Now I want to stop here for a couple of minutes and explain what we see here on the screen. Two columns are here. The first is listen and type, and we see pairs of rows below. The upper row is in Pinyin, and this is what you have to type when you hear a sound. And the row below are input fields where typing happens. There are also checkboxes that change behavior of input fields. The behavior can be in two states, playing or not playing. The bigger checkbox changes the behavior of every input field. Here, let's try.
播
Okay, confirm changes.
播
The checkboxes on the left side of rows work only with one row. If I click it, it changes the behavior of this row. Click it, back to the empty places.
播
I click it, and you see one row is affected. I click it, and you see only one row is affected. On the right column, which is called control panel, we see some audio control. You can increase the volume or decrease it. You can turn it off or turn it on, and so on. There are also checkboxes
播
that also change the behavior of these elements. The first, hide all. What happens when I click it here? Let's try.
播
You cannot see what you have to type, but still you are able to type.
吸
She. Oh, confirm changes. Whenever you change something here, you have to confirm it.
吸
She,
知
G, and so on. Okay. The next checkbox is flashcard. Let's click it.
知
We checked it. Now we cannot see anything, but still you are able to type. Z,
吃
sh,
诗
sh,
日
z,
滋
and so on. Okay, let's turn it off.
滋
Random. What does random mean? Let's try it.
滋
Z, z, z. No. Z,
思
s, s,
滋
z, 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 z,
一
i,
无
u,
我
wo, wo, wo,
啊
a,
呃
e,
鱼
u, u. I don't remember what it is.
鱼
Oh,
鱼
it is tricky. U,
无
u,
一
e,
I
a,
O
o, and so on. Now it goes randomly, not in order.
O A
A,
Ying
yung. Okay, you understand. Yung. What is yung?
Ying
Yung.
Ying
Yung.
Ying
Where is yin? Yin. I cannot see yin. Oh, the last one.
Ying
Yin.
Ying
Ying.
Wu
U. Where is U? Must be here somewhere. Oh, here. U. And so on. Okay, you understand. Flashcard non-stop. What does non-stop mean? Let's try.
Wu U
It plays non-stop.
O
You don't do anything.
Ye
It just plays.
Yue
You can listen to
Yue
it. You can have tea,
N
but still
An
listen, and so
Zhi
on. It's
Yuan
learning, but
Ye
in a passive way.
Yin
Just
O
repeat after the speaker here,
A
and
Er
imagine you what you
O
have to type, and so on.
Yun Wei
How
Chi
to work here? Okay, let's come back. Restore everything. Confirm changes.
Bo
How to work here? Of course, going on through all these sounds is not always effective. It's better to divide it into parts and learn partly. For example, I want to learn the first line. I just make everything out of game, and then I turn it on, and only the first line now works. And confirm changes. Of course, confirm changes.
Bo
Bo, okay, for the first time, of course, it's better
Bo
to have them on. Okay, bo,
Po
po,
De
the,
Mo
and I check out random.
Mo
Mo,
Fo
fo,
Te
te,
Ne
ne,
Le
le,
Ge
ke,
Ke
ke,
He
he,
Ji
ji,
Qi
chi.
Bo
You see, it goes only through the first line and
Fo
plays only
De
the. Okay,
Te
I stop here. For example, it's easy for me. B, p, m, f. Yeah, the t is not so clear, so I leave it as play, and then go n, l, also easy, and then h is also easy. These 6 ones, okay, L, H will go here. These 7 sounds are difficult for me because these sounds the same, this sounds the same, this is unusual sound, and this is also unusual sound. So confirm changes.
De
The,
Te
t,
Ge
g,
Ke
k,
He
h,
Ji
ji,
Qi
chi,
De
the,
Te
t.
Ge
And also, what I can do, I hide
Ge
and play randomly.
Ge
K, k, k,
He
h,
Ke
k,
Qi
chi,
Ji
ji,
De
the,
Te
t.
He
Actually, I watch the focused element, and somehow I joined here the sound. And now I try to remember which sound goes to this particular input element. So I press enter again.
He
H,
Ke
k,
Ge
g.
Ji
Seeing these elements help me to remember the sound, but it's not the case. I can call it as a false memory because I remember these elements. So I pick up flashcard.
Ji
I don't see which element is focused. Okay, G,
Qi
chi,
Ke
k,
d,
d,
t,
t,
g,
g,
h,
h,
q,
qi, qi, qi,
ji,
ji,
g,
g. I press the wrong key and now it says, oh, it's the wrong key. So I use backspace, clean it, and then
ji,
G. The right answer goes here, and you can enjoy it. Okay? Again, listen.
ji,
G,
t,
T. Okay, again, the wrong key. I clean it with backspace and T,
d,
D, D,
d,
D, D.
D.
Okay.
q,
Chi,
h,
H,
k,
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 and so on. Uncheck flashcard.
k,
What happens when if I check non-stop? Let's try.
k,
K,
t,
T.
g,
It plays non-stop
h,
without me
g,
interacting with
t,
keyboard or whatever.
t,
I don't press anything.
k,
It goes on and on. You can enjoy
ji,
having
qi,
tea
d,
at the same time listening
g,
to what you are learning.
ji, t, k,
Okay,
k,
this way you can pass all the sounds given here, and then in the end just check yourself how well you can recognize these sounds just only by typing. Click flashcard
k,
and try k, k. Oh, confirm changes. Don't forget, it doesn't let you play until you confirm it. If I try to type something, okay, it appears again. So, confirm changes.
bo,
Again,
bo,
po, what this one?
ao,
Ow, ow, maybe.
shi,
Sh, sh,
zi,
z. Okay, if you don't remember, just uncheck flashcard.
zi,
This one is focused. Okay,
zi,
again flashcard and go on.
mo,
More,
wen,
when, what is when? I don't know.
wen,
Okay, when, okay, maybe random is not good now. First,
wen,
pass it in ordered way. Flashcard.
bo,
Po,
po,
fo,
fo,
d,
d,
t,
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 n,
n,
l,
l,
g,
g, oh, g,
k,
k,
h,
h,
ji,
g,
qi,
chi,
xi,
she, maybe this one.
zhi,
J, and so on.
zhi.
Okay, I just made it. I haven't learned it yet. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. I think I explained everything. I think it will be useful for beginner learners of Chinese language. Okay, that's it for today. Goodbye.